Hey everybody, Senge here. And while I'm in traffic, I just thought I would go ahead and tell you all about a couple things. One, I have a new book out. It is called the 3x3 Productivity Method. You can actually find it over on Amazon. I will put a link in this description once I actually get home, or get back to where I'm going. And then two, something got brought up to me, and it's really concerning about to-do lists. And I love to-do lists. I love lists of any sort, really. Anybody that knows me knows I'm a list lover. But productivity is more than just adding things to a to-do list. And to me, it's more about everybody talks to me about the Getting Things Done method by David Allen. Great system, not knocking it or anything. Used it for years, but that type of thing where you're just anything that comes into your head, you put it down on a list, or you make just endless to-do lists that really never get fully accomplished, because you're always adding stuff to the list. Productivity is more than just adding things to lists. It's about eliminating the things that you're putting down on the list. Productivity is not about doing everything in the world or everything under the sun. It's about doing the most important things. In business, there's $5 an hour jobs. There's $50 an hour jobs. There's $500 an hour jobs and $5,000 an hour jobs. And you don't want to be focused on the $5 an hour jobs. So you need to get rid of them, as fast as possible. And the way you do this is 3 different ways. All right. Number one is you just simply trash it. All right. You just don't do it. You eliminate it. You take it right off of your list. 2 would be to automate it. I am a huge automation fan. I absolutely love automation, and even my daughter sitting back there can tell you that I love my automation systems. And that's another way to get rid of stuff on your list, is just if you have something that repeatedly comes up on your list, do your best to automate it in whichever way that you can. If you can't automate it, then delegate it to someone else. It's not worth your time doing. If it's, something like, pick up the kids or something like that, of course, maybe you can't delegate that to someone else. Maybe you can. But again, just getting back to everything, you have to find other ways to do the most important things and not everything. All right, and that's what productivity is really about. And the 3x3 method is not about doing everything under the sun. It's about just doing the most important things that need doing. Because when you get the most important things done, let's take business again. In a 90-day period, I work 90-day chunks, and in 90 days for business, I only get one goal accomplished. That's it. And usually it's a very, very big goal. Let's just say, my goal is growing my list from 10,000 email subscribers to 50,000 email subscribers in 90 days. Like, that's a pretty big goal, right? And that's the only thing I focus on. I'm not focused on doing a million different things for my business. It's just one damn thing. That's it. All right. And, for that one big goal, a goal is nothing more than a lagging indicator. I don't focus on lagging indicators. Like, I have my goal, but that's not what I focus on. I focus on the leading indicators, the things that I can look at and, if necessary, change on the fly. Right. That's what you really, really, need to focus on, are those tactics, what you're actually doing. And, when it comes down to, my main goal, I only ever utilize 3 different tactics. That's it. So I'm not adding stuff, I'm getting rid of stuff, and I'm just doing what's absolutely vital in order to hit that one single goal. So, just want to do this while I was thinking about it. I had gotten in a conversation about adding stuff to to-do lists, and how many to-do lists do I have, and all this stuff. So just a thought, and I guess the big thought is just stop adding shit to your to-do list and start eliminating stuff that you absolutely don't need. You'll be much more productive. So that's all I've got today while it was on my mind, and we'll see you next time, guys. Take care.